Dr. John Wesley Darden. In the early 1900s, a horse and buggy slowly made its way along the dusty dirt roads throughout Opelika and the countryside as Dr. John Darden began a long day of calling on patients. His bride, Maud Jean, who rode along to keep the young doctor company, sat in the buggy and waited until he provided medical care to his patients. At the age of 13 years old, his parents, who were determined to give all their children an education, sent him to a high school in Salisbury, North Carolina. John worked his way through Livingstone College, now Shaw University, and a medical internship in Long Island, New York. Since his hometown already had African American medical service doctors, the young doctor began searching for a new place to live and serve. A college friend who was a physician in Tuskegee recommended the small town of Opelika. John moved to Opelika in 1903 and became the first African American physician in a 30-mile radius and began working 18-hour days. Located at 1323 Auburn Street in Opelika, his home was built in 1906. Also, partnering with his pharmacist brother, John also opened a pharmacy in Opelika. During the 1940s, he ran his practice from the home, which also served as a social hub for the local African American community, primarily through the efforts of Darden's wife, Maud Jean. The city's first African American high school was built in 1951 and was named after Darden. It later merged with Opelika High School in 1972 when the high school was integrated. A currently operational medical clinic and street have also been named after Darden. Notable visitors included Booker T. Washington, George Washington Carver, and A.G. Gaston. The Dr. J.W. Darden House is also listed on the National Register of Historic Places and was listed on August the 12th of 2009.